In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hotmail password. Even though we still say Hotmail, your password is managed through Microsoft's Outlook and your Microsoft account, so I'll walk you through the exact clicks to make this quick and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Outlook sign-in page. On that page, select Sign In. If you see your account listed, then choose it to continue. If not, type your email address and continue to the password screen. Sign in as you normally would. If your browser offers to remember the password, you can decide later. Right now, we're changing it anyway. Once you land in your Outlook inbox, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials. From that menu, choose My Microsoft account. This will take you to your Microsoft account dashboard, which is where password and security settings live. If you're prompted again to pick an existing account or confirm who's signing in, choose the same account you're using. This extra prompt is normal when moving from Outlook to the Account Center. On the Microsoft account dashboard, click the Security section. This area controls your sign-in preferences, verification methods, and password settings. Next, find and select Manage How I Sign In. This page gathers the ways you access your account, including your password and any sign-in aliases. At the top of that page, choose Change Password. Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity first. This could mean entering your current password or approving a sign-in with a code sent to a device or email you've set up. Go ahead and complete that verification so you can continue. Now enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. For best results, use a strong, unique password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for at least 12 characters, avoid personal details, and don't reuse passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store this securely. If there's an option to make your password expire periodically, decide whether that's right for you. Many people prefer a strong, unique password they update only when needed. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. Keep in mind, devices like your phone's Mail app, desktop Outlook, or other connected apps may ask you to sign in again with your new password. If something doesn't refresh immediately, signing out and back in usually fixes it. That's it. Your Hotmail password is now changed safely